Hello, so today I'm sharing with you this homeschool find that I got on Amazon. It's a lightning deal and it was a really good price for four for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division flashcards. And it also comes with some bonus problems. As you can see, 33 bonus facts and 8 word problems. So let's take a look. So in total it has 600 math facts. And these are the features of the flashcards: color-coded factors, preview answer in the corner, high-quality cards, convenient size, rounded corners. So let's take a look. So you can actually buy this individually, and I think they price around $8.99 each. Each of the box is $8.99, but I got them as a set, which is a better deal. So let's take a look at the edition. I already partially opened it. So it says it has 150 facts. And I actually like that it's kind of small, so you can take them with you if you go places. They're not too bulky. I have an Abeka flashcards, and they're really big. So over there, those are my Abeka flashcards, and they are kind of big compared to this, which is pretty thin. And they are portable. You can carry them around. So this is the edition one. Let's see. There is a bunch of selections in Amazon, but I decided to pick on this one because it had a deal, and I'm a sucker for deals. So let's see here. I'm gonna back off a little bit so we can see. Alright, so the inside has 2 compartments, which holds. It's kind of small. I thought it would be as big as those flashcards. These are pretty tiny ones. That's why they're called pocket flashcards. So as you can see on the side, the answer for the back part is on this page. So 0 plus 5, and let me try to open this. Okay, so as you can see, this one is it's color coded. This first one is a black on the top. And as you can see, 1 plus 0, the answer is over here. 0 plus 5, the answer is in the top. And there is an extra card here. It says, "Thank you for your support." And there are other products that they sell. There are sight words, preschool flashcards like alphabets, numbers, colors, and shapes. So as you can see, those. So they come in a set as well. And then teaching methods. That is nice that they included this. So there are some ideas here on how to teach it to the kids so they can master it. Mixing, add and skip counting, pattern exploration, and then there are games. So there you go. So there's called Next 10, Inverse, and then some, Slapjack, War. We will try that in the future, but for now I just want to show you what it looks like. So the front has a different color coding on the top. So this one is kind of light green, there's a darker green, and the other side is a darker blue and a lighter blue. So let's check on the other. So here I'm already seeing a problem. So this is one of the word problems that it's talking about in the box, so let's check that out. So I just removed the plastic for the second one. This is light purple and dark purple. So I think they come in different colors depending on like multiples. Like this is the multiples of 7. Multiples of 8 is in a dark purple, and then indigo is like the 9, and so on. So 20, these are just random. The black ones are, I think, bigger numbers that are random. And then like I told you, the back is a different numbers. So there's 12, multiples of 12, multiples of 11, and then so on. So this is an example of the word problem that it came with. So there are pictures as well, which is kind of nice. So let's move on to the next box. Let's try multiplication box. I'm just gonna quickly show you the features of the multiplication. It has 6 bonus facts, 2 word problems, a couple of fun games, So it's, you can see that it's kind of cool. There's like a problem in there, an example of the problem. So let's see here. So same as the edition. The edition, it came with 2 compartments, and I'm not gonna open it, but I'm just gonna show you a quick look. So anything times 0 is 0, which is kind of cool. So there you go. And the back is the problems. So my kids are probably not gonna be doing this yet because they're too young, but this would be a cool thing to do in the future. So that is it's called the Think Tank Scholar Pocket Math Flashcards Box Set. So if you need some ideas on like flashcards, so just give it a try. I'll link the Amazon product below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helped. Bye bye.